Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to perform last operation of Firestore using Jetpack Compose library, that is delete operation. So all operations are working. We have insert also, we have update also, we have, you can say, display also. We have this record. Now we want to delete this record by clicking on a delete button. So it's very simple. So first of all, that we make this code for update, remember that. So what I need here, I need again this code, and I just copy this and I try to paste this code here in delete also. We have a delete coding here using Jetpack Compose. So just I paste here, and here I do not need this map because I am not going to be I'm not going to update this, so no need of this map. No need to check name and courses also, because I need only roll number to delete this. So this way, so we can do this first thing. Then I collect a student, I equal to roll number, we get the record, we match the record, and in place of update information I need to delete. So in place of this I need to replace a name id to, here I need dot id dot delete. Remember that in place of set I want to use delete and add on success listener if record deleted. So I will display record deleted, remember. And similarly I can also say dot failure if record is not deleted, or we also have a error also here if we are not able to do that. So record deleted, we have used delete command in place of set command, and we have this roll number also. So try to execute once again, and we are try to delete this also. We have this application. Once again click on display, and we have information. I want to delete roll number 3, so I pass here 3 and I just click on delete button. So it will say record deleted, display. We have 2 records, pass id number 2 here, click on delete button, then display. We have 1 record only, remember that we have 1 record only. Then once again pass here id 1 and click on delete button and display. No record found, blank is there, and we have blank here also. Remember that like this way we can delete record also in Firestore. So it was very simple coding to insert, display, update and delete records from Firestore database, that is NoSQL database from Google for Android developers or other programmers also. So that's all in this video. I think you learned something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.